When you're training at home with no equipment, workout efficiency is essential. You really need to make sure that you're getting a big bang for your buck workout. And the way we do it is we get strength, flexibility, and fitness all done in the same workout in less than an hour. Want to know how? Watch this video and I'm going to show you how we get better results at home with no equipment than other people are getting in the gym.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
So the way we do this in our at-home workouts and with our UMS online coaching program is that in our primary workout, so there's three components to our workout. There's a mobility warm-up, which we won't show in this video. You can check out some of our other videos to see that. Then we have the primary workout and then the supplementary circuit. The primary workout is where we do our strength and flexibility training, and we do a 1-to-1 ratio. This is the key to the efficiency model of the UMS and our at-home workouts. So when we're doing lower body strength training, we're doing upper body flexibility, and when we're doing upper body strength training, we're doing lower body flexibility, and there's a very good reason for that. It's not a great idea to stretch the muscles that you're also using for strength training in between sets. It sends mixed signals through the nervous system and can lead to increased risk of injury and reduced strength potential. But by training lower body strength and upper body flexibility, what we're doing is just capitalizing on the rest time. Because if you want to do proper strength training, you need a certain amount of rest between your sets. You can just sit around and do nothing, or you can do what we do and maximize your efficiency by working flexibility on the other part of the body. Hi everyone, in case we haven't met, my name is Rad Burmeister. I'm one of the founders of Unity Gym and co-creators of the UMS, the Unify Movement System, where we turn driven people into strong, flexible, and fit people with 1-hour workouts. If you want to know how we do it, you can grab one of our free blueprints. The at-home workout blueprint is very relevant to this video series because this is where we're breaking down all of the 10 lessons in that, but you can also get the flexibility blueprint, the strength blueprint, and the nutrition blueprint. If you want to go a little bit further and grab one of our amazing programs for strength, flexibility, or fitness, or calisthenics and weightlifting, you can click the link in the bottom and check out our catalog of programs. And if you're ready to go deep and start online coaching with me and my crew, you can get a 1-month free trial of our UMS online coaching program. There's a link in the description of this video. So if I give you an example of what a round would look like in one of our lower body strength and upper body flexibility workouts. So we can do squats, okay? So let's say we're just doing some air squats like this. And in one of the phases of our at-home workouts, when we were doing supersets, we did we did jumping squats first. So we did, I think, about 10 or 15 jumping squats. And if you do 10 or 15 of those, you get pretty cooked. Then we rested 10 seconds and then we went straight into max reps of just air squats to really burn the legs out. So that was our primary lower body strength movement. And then we went into some flexibility. So we went into a pec stretch. So laying down on the ground and stretching out the pecs. So we did about 20 to 30 seconds on each side. So we do one side and we do the other side, 20 to 30 seconds. And then we go into a little bit more of a posterior dominant lower body exercise with a single leg hip thrust like this. This is a really good way that even without any weight and equipment, you can still work the muscles quite effectively because you're not that strong with one leg doing a hip thrust like that. So we do both sides. And then we went into a tabletop stretch. So the tabletop stretch, stretching different muscles than that pec stretch, okay? A little bit more bicep there. And by doing that, you can see we're doing lower body strength. Then as our lower body, the muscles in our lower body rest and recover, we do upper body flexibility. Then we do lower body strength again on the opposing muscle systems. And then we do upper body flexibility again. When you do 5 rounds of that, that's a very, very effective strength and flexibility workout. And this is the key to the efficiency of our at-home workouts. If you want to know more about it, grab our at-home workouts blueprint. It's free. Just click the link in the description of this video and see how we get better results at home with no equipment than other people are getting in the gym. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.
Ow, ow, ow.